Hi guys, so today I received a package from Lovevery. I got two play kits, the Babbler and the Pioneer, and this one is the Pioneer, and as you can see it has a lot of stuff inside. So the awesome thing about Lovevery is that it has a subscription for play kits and it's separated by ages, designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. And you know I'm into that stuff, into teaching my babies and also Montessori, so let's check it out. And you can see that the quality is so good. I've heard great things about Lovevery, so I'm really excited. Here's a book to tell me more about this particular play kit, and check it out. They have a book that comes with the play kit. So the thing I like about this type of book is that the pictures are realistic pictures, and that has been shown to teach babies vocabulary and letter recognition better than the cartoon type of books. So I'm into that. Now, what I like to do is to set everything up in a Montessori style, and this is what I did before I showed Dove all the things I got from the play kits. I set it up like this so that she could easily access everything. I felt like it aesthetically looked amazing and just ready for her to play and try out everything. If you really look, the quality is astounding. I wish I knew about Lovevery before because, as you know, Dove is my fourth child, and this stuff can definitely last from child to child because of the high quality. And it's open play, so they're able to use it in various ways. And like I said before, the books are the type of books that I love. I even love the placing of the words because I like to use my fingers to read, and the words at the bottom, they're not distracting from anything in the book. So I just let Dove kind of play however she pleased. What's inside? Bunny!
Baba.
Bunny!
Baba.
Bunny!
Baba.
Bunny! All right, Dove loves her Lovevery stuff. So if you're interested in getting this for your kids, definitely check out my links that I have in the description box so that you can get some Lovevery play kits as well. If you have one child or multiple children, honestly, I really suggest getting Lovevery because the quality is great and you have a subscription, so it's age appropriate, and then every so often they'll send you a new play kit for the appropriate age, and you can just have so much less stress trying to pick out great developmental toys for your kids. Hey! If you aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.